Better SMW.
Miles,
Another
New
one.
York Harbor,
Go.
until 7:15 p.m.
Yes, sir.
At 6:13 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Raritan Bay, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated.
Let's
Impact,
go.
small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Sandy Hook Bay and lower New York Harbor around 6:25 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 6:35 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Oh my
Wind gusts
god.
34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with the storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
God damn.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch 489 in effect until
It's crazy.
7 p.m. this evening.